In this Tech Top Tip video, I'm going to show you how to clean an optical disc. Here I have a couple of DVDs, that could be CDs, but I got these in a job lot of ultramobile PCs that I got off of eBay the other day. And I think they've been in storage for quite some time. So if you take a look at these discs, you'll see they're rather dirty. Can't quite see there, but there's lots of dirt and fingerprints and all sorts on there. Probably from donkey's years ago. Yeah, same with that one. Again, you can see with camera, but you probably can't quite see. Oh no, you can see some of the dirt. It's a bit difficult, but trust me, these are filthy. And the best way to clean them is with isopropanol cleaning fluid, and this is specifically designed for technical maintenance, so it's designed for cleaning this sort of stuff. In fact, a lot of the disc cleaning kits you get with the pants, you know, the one with the little handles you wind round and there's some fluid, well, 9 times out of the 10 it's isopropanol cleaning fluid. The one I've got here is from Advanced Technology Cleaning, the AF range, called ISO Clean. Very good stuff. Not just for CDs and DVDs and whatnot, you can use it on any kind of technical product that requires cleaning without causing damage. I mean, obviously check out the instructions and everything to make sure you're not going to damage anything you've tried it on, but here we are in this video. I'm going to show you how to clean some optical discs. Now the first thing you need to know is don't do that. Don't clean it in a circular motion because you may end up scratching the disc. You need to hold the disc and move the cloth from the center outwards. Doing it lightly to start with. Same on this one. The reason I'm doing it lightly is because I don't want to scratch it. So I'm just taking off any of the surface dirt because that may all be all it is. Now this one I can see a few more fingerprints, so I've taken the surface layer off, fold my cloth over, spray a bit more on, clean it again going from the centre outwards. Yeah, that's got most of the dirt off. Got another cloth here just to quickly dry it with. Dries quite quickly if you leave it anyway. And once these are clean, the next thing I'm going to do is make an ISO image backup of them. There we go. Not perfect, but a lot better than before. There are a few scratches on here, but then this is cleaning, not repairing. If you want to repair the disc, you'll need a proper disc repairer. But there you go. Isopropanol cleaning fluid. That's what you need to clean an optical disc. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.